In today's video, I'm going to show you how to transfer or convert your PDF to another language. So if you have found this video helpful for you, make sure like and subscribe the channel. First, I'm going on Google Drive. Then here are click on the plus icon. You need to upload this file on the Google Drive. So I'm trying to upload my exact PDF. Okay, you can see it's already opened. So what you need to do, you need to click on tools icon. You can see tools icon. Now at the last moment you can see here are the translate document. Then choose your targeted destination language. So I choose Hindi. You can choose any other language as well. Now click on transfer. Wow, it's already translated to Hindi language. Now you need to click on the file. Again click on the download. Again download as a PDF. That's it. Your work are completed. Thank you.